Hello, Vinny, where are we?
We're in the garden, in a hotel garden, and it's beautiful, lovely nice wee flowers, quiet
Yeah.
seats. We've got shady bits and we've got summery bits you can sit. And it's really lovely. I'm just reading the menu here.
Alright. Why are we waiting here in the garden?
Oh yes, we're waiting for a water taxi to take us to Murano glass factory.
Yeah, to the islands. It's free, the hotel's giving us it for free, but we've got to make our own way back, which is fine. That means we can do what we like. So we can come back to, I'd go to St. Mark's Basin, or maybe just go to Murano. I think that'd be a good idea since we're already there. And then just take it from there, I think. I'm just going to scout the garden. It's beautiful, isn't it? I think we're in here on our own at the moment. I'm going to go to that fountain. Oh, sorry. Is it lovely?
Oh, it's fresh water.
Don't have any water. Oh, you should have. We can get some when you're there. I brought a wee water with me. You should have brought your water.
I forgot.
I mean, we don't. If we're going to do that, we don't always get a chance to. Maybe the hotel sells some. Maybe the hotel sells some. What? Well, it's better than having no water in it. If you really want water, best buy it now. You might not get. Don't know what's going to happen over there. So. I'm not sure where our window is. I think our window's at the front. Lovely. It's lovely. Not like that wee chair. Swing chair. Okay.